At EJOT ATF, we have been producing fasteners that help hold the world together for over 80 years. Our values of practicing humility, dedication, integrity, and passion guide every fastener we produce. Every fastener starts as a coil of wire. Each coil comes certified and is inspected to ensure it meets specifications. Wire is brought to our cold headers when it is drawn down to size. It is then fed into the machine where a small portion is cut off and formed through a series of dies to produce the desired shape. Shaving refines the fastener to exact tolerances and optimal surface quality. We are able to form internal threads and shave high-precision features such as grooves and points. Thread rolling forms the threads by displacing material, strengthening the fastener while producing the precise thread profile. Our fasteners undergo a rigorous inspection through each step of the process to ensure company and customer expectations are met. Every fastener produced is sorted 100%, utilizing our team, sophisticated cameras, and programming. Only parts that meet our strict standards move forward. Finished fasteners are packaged, documented, and prepared for delivery worldwide. Our warehouse and customer service team ship millions of fasteners every day. For more information, visit EJOTATF.com. Because quality isn't a standard we meet, it's a standard we set.